Okay guys, just open your dial application, then tap on three buttons, this one, then select settings, then scroll up, then you can see option of other call settings, open it. Now you can see say to call or text. Okay, you can simply enable this function from here. Just tap on that button. It is that whenever you see a call list or contact names in contacts or call list, you can just swipe right side to call and swipe left side to text message. It's very useful. You can easily enable this function is here. This is one of the best feature in Samsung. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as video so you can easily watch that. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.